Taylor Home Comfort, at your service.
Here at Taylor Home Comfort, we provide professional service and maintenance you can trust. Whether you're dealing with a serious boiler problem, a broken air conditioner, or a heating issue, you can rely on us for around-the-clock quality service you need at the price you want. We know you've hired questionable contractors before. That's why we want you to check out our 5-star Google reviews from people just like you. Like Peter, for example. Or Janice. Plus, we're proudly veteran-owned, so we always find a way.